His Excellency, Philippine Ambassador to Kuwait, Jose Cabrera III, Sir. Labor Attaché, Honorable Attorney Manuel Di Maano, Vice Consul Josel Estajo, our distinguished guest, Philippine Embassy staff, and leaders of the Filipino Muslim community in Kuwait, my brothers and sisters in Sambasunta, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Eid Mubarak, kullu aam wa antum bikhair. Today we reflect on Prophet Abraham's faith in obedience to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that he is even willing to sacrifice his own son when ordered by God to do so. For us, we have to emulate this obedience in simpler manner. We are enjoined to sacrifice little portion of our wealth to feed the hungry, to give charity to the poor, to give up some of our time, day and night, for prayer and meditation. There are so many ways that we can show our sacrifice in worship, because we are assured that some sacrifices in this life means glory in the hereafter. This is why we celebrate Eid al-Adha, to remind us that we have duties and obligations to our fellow mankind. We as OFWs are no strangers to sacrifices. There is no tougher struggle than to be away from our loved ones. Kung minsan mag-isa tayo dito, medyo lonely, kakasakit tayo, minsan may mga problema tayong mag-isa dito. Pero dito sa Sambasunta, nasubukan natin na paano naging masaya na magkasama tayo. In challenging moments, there were so many hands willing to give comfort and help. And let us give tribute to the 3 kababayans who perished in Manga fire. And we also pray and wish the 2 other OFWs in hospital may have speedy recovery. Today, I also want to express my gratitude to the members of Sambasunta for choosing their new officers. I am quite sure that the new leadership headed by Engineer Uto Imlan is the right fit for the job. We are confident that they can keep the momentum and lead the organization through the road of realizations of its plans and aspirations. We have to remember that even the greatest ideas remain futile and pointless unless they are turned to actions. So congratulations to the new officers of Sambasunta. Hinihiling ko lang po sa inyong lahat, mga members, na suportahan at tulungan natin ang ating mga officers. Because they are doing this voluntarily. There is no monetary compensation. Added lang trust nila. May mga trabaho rin, katulad nating lahat ng OFW din sila. Under their leadership, I am sure the organization will continue its solid support to the Philippine Embassy and the Migrant Workers Office in their programs for the welfare of OFWs. With their judgment and wisdom, I'm also 100% positive that they are going to uphold the spirit of Sambasunta. Sambasunta is tight-knit community of different tribes tribes from Zamboanga Peninsula, provinces of Basilan, Sulu, and Tawi-Tawi. We have tribes of Zamboangueño, Tausug, Sama, Liacan, Suban, Kalibukan, Tolot, marami pa. And we have different dialects. And if we speak those dialects, we will not understand each other. Pero in Sabasuta, we only know one language. And that is the language of friendship, brotherhood, and camaraderie. Professionals man, or skilled workers, or household workers, pantay-pantay tayong lahat sa Sabasuta. Walang mauna, walang mahuhuli. Iisa tayo sa organization na ito. Lastly, as an outgoing officer, there are some people I want to personally thank. I may have a long list, but if I will mention all of the names, baka maubusan tayo ng oras. Firstly, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to our beloved Ambassador Jose Cabrera III. Sir, muchas gracias for your constant support. To my brother Abdul Nasser Jamsuri, to Mans Julasdi, our former Vice President, to Ustaz Mansur Jain, to our previous PIO who is very energetic, Haji Najmi Isam Jr., Madam Farida Alam, Hadja Raida Janjuri, and of course, Malin Yu. I cannot thank you enough for the help that you extended to me when I was the chairman of this organization. And of course, to you all, the members and the officers of Sabasuta. In pangatayan ko, hipo sin pagsarang sukul. Iwan kasila sa Abog-bog, iwan sin tabang niyo kako. I was not capable of anything if it's not your backing. Again, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Eid Mubarak and good evening to you all.